Oh, there's the CUDA, by the way. Good morning, CG family, and welcome to another episode of Car Gang. Today, I am as bright as a highlighter, and we're going to be doing the same thing to my car by installing these. That's right, we got tire letters. The reason why I felt that I needed tire letters is because I just installed these beautiful louvers that I painted myself, and that covered up the yellow accents on the window, so that only left me with yellow brakes. And I was like, I need more yellow on the side of my car. I already have the yellow pinstripe in the front and back. So I was like, tire letters should do the trick. So your first step is to clean the tires with acetone or brake cleaner, and I don't have either. I know, right? I really just don't feel like going to the store to get some. So what I'm gonna try to do is use this rag and use like soapy, like abrasive soap and water or something, and just try and get all the dirt off that I can. So you really want to focus on the areas that the tire letters will be, mostly from right here to here and here to here. You obviously, like, you should clean around the sidewall as well to kind of even it out. Whew. I've been using soapy water, which isn't as strong, of course. I've had to use a lot more pressure to get the same results. But once your towel begins to look like this, right, that's when you know that it's clean at that point. This is what it was before, so you can tell there's a lot of dirt and muck. And I cleaned all the tires. This is the result. Hot, I'm sweaty, but hopefully it paid off. We're about to install the tire letters right now. Alright, so this is what it comes in. You can see I have it. It says Car Gang because we love you guys. Let's open it up and see what's inside. How to install. So it gives you step-by-step installation. Clean tire sidewall with acetone. Sand down the tire a bit. So that's why I have this right here, a wire brush. I'm going to use it to rough up the tire to kind of give it a rougher surface so that it allows the adhesive to stick better. Apply a thin layer of glue to the backside of the letters. Apply pressure after placing. After 30 minutes, remove, clear, transfer to reveal clean tire letters. Let dry for 2 hours. So that's what this says. Who needs instructions anyways? Let's just send it. So we pull them out. They are together with a rubber band. Car Gang. And you can see they have kind of a rougher back surface to them. I think that's to allow them to stick a little better. So I actually got these from, I want to say, Etsy. Usually tire letters are like $150 or $130, something ridiculous. These were like $70. So I'm hoping I got a good deal on them. I hope they don't like fall off tomorrow, you know. But I got 8, so 2 for each tire. And then, of course, we have the glue. I'm gonna apply this on the back of the tire letters. I'm doing this on my car, probably not the best idea, but use the tip of the glue to smear. Try and get the corners so that the edges don't peel. No! And then apply pressure, you guys. So we got this tire letter put on. We're supposed to let it sit with the cover on for about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand down the rest of this tire and start working on the others. And by the time I'm done with that, we can start peeling them all off. The letters are on the first tire, guys. This looks pretty sweet. I can't wait to peel back the wrapping on there and see the results, but we have to do all 4 tires now. We still got the rest of the letters. So I will see you guys when they're on and it's time to peel back the wrap. Alright guys, the tire letters are on all 4 tires, and I would highly recommend wearing gloves, any sort of gloves while doing this, because that, I mean, for one, you can see how dirty my hand is, but 2, the adhesive on the glue is very strong and it just sticks to your skin. It's so bad, you can't get it off. But now we're going to peel back the wrap. When you peel back the wrap, if one of the edges starts to lift, you have to add a little bit more glue in there and push it back down. So make sure you leave a little bit of glue for the end for that. But let's get to peeling them off. Alright, so I have my glue on hand, and let's start peeling back. Try and peel on an angle. Let's see. Look at that. So after you're done, just rub it in a little bit again, kind of make sure everything's down. and just do that across all of the tires, or all of the letters on the tire. If you guys do wear gloves, you can just use your hands, but I noticed since my hands are so dirty, they're starting to get dirty just from me touching them. So I got a microfiber. Stick your thumb in there just like that, and then you can use your thumb. Alright guys, here is the final look. They look really sweet, and I am digging them a lot. I really think it adds a nice touch to the car. Some of you might like it, some of you, oh, there's the CUDA by the way. But yeah, so stay tuned for our next video. Stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.